Hello guys. So, natapos na tayong magklase. Natapos na tayong mag-MC. Natapos na tayong mag-election sa loob ng classroom for our HRPTA. So, our time is 4:58 in the afternoon. Pasok naman tayo ngayon sa law school. So, our first day in law school, and I will update you later. Bye! So, 5:09. Park tayo dito. Kasi muna tayo. Good evening. It's 7:20. So, maaga kaming pinauwi ni attorney ngayon. Dahil first day daw namin. At panoorin ang Bar Boys. Goodbye. Law school is different.